Thursday. UAE SWAT Challenge is the YouTube channel. Wendell is back today. Wendell, have you got nothing else to do with your time? Good morning, Wendell. Wendell says, good morning, Joe. Hope you had a great evening. Another action-packed day. Yes, you are correct, and good luck to all the teams. Thank you, Wendell. Very kind of you. Rwanda, Team 1. They are next up. The fastest time for Rwanda last year was 1:01.8. The sniper heads off. So that's their personal target. And I just want to elaborate a little bit more on the personal targets. There's a lot of departmental rivalry in the teams that are sent to the UAE SWAT Challenge each year. No issues for the sniper. Two holding the breaching ram. And we saw a lot of teams yesterday struggling with that breaching door. I think we're going to have the same today. Down the steps and sprinting for the line just over the 1 minute mark. 1:01.5 for Rwanda Team A.
Next team will be in starting line.
And that's one of the quicker teams of the day. Not as fast as Sharjah B, who set the benchmark earlier on today. Next out will be Syria. Two teams from Syria this year, the Special Task Department of the Syrian Ministry of Interior. They are newcomers to the event. First time that you see Syrian flags on the left. Oh, big support for Syria. This is way better than the Olympics. You're absolutely right. A good comment. Every day is different. Carl Morris says, let's go the Takis. You're going to have to wait a little bit, Carl. The South African Task Force, sorry, the Special Task Force of South Africa, they are out a little bit later. Check online if you want the draw, uaeswatchallenge.com. And good morning to you as well, Linda. Is it still morning? Yes. 2 hours behind, is that right? Sniper is away, sprinting up the stairs. And this sniper, we talk about technique over the course of the UAE SWAT Challenge. This sniper opting for barrel down. So far today, we've only seen barrel up. Every team, every individual, and certainly every sniper has their own technique. He's only got one round, one chance, one shot. It's approximately 60 meters. That's dispatched. Just taking their time, getting those gas masks on. And you see in the top left of your screen one of the assaulters of Syria just taking his time, and it's worth it. It's worth it. Have they all gone? I think he's on his own. I think all of his colleagues have left him. Is anyone still there? Is there? They're going to realize, I think, at some point that there's 5 team members. 1, 2 are on this. There's the sniper. Ah, no, he is still in his allotted kill room. But his gas mask is off. I think that could be a procedural penalty. And finally, through the breaching door, down the steps. That usually trips 1 or 2 up. And across the finish line. Dal! 2 minutes 13.5 for Syria. Whew. That's a relief. I thought for a minute there that all of his colleagues had left him. That would have been a little bit embarrassing, wouldn't it? So, next out of the gate will be Bahrain A, the Defence Force of Bahrain. Those of you who've got kids watching this, whether it be here at Al Rawaya or at home, open your using the flags, the various flags of the countries who are involved, to teach them the Bahrain flag. 48 countries in total involved in this year's UAE SWat challenge. Bahrain last year, the Defence Force Team B went round in 1:02.7. That was their fastest time on the hostage rescue day. So their personal target will be 1:02.7. That'll be snipers away, sprinting up those stairs. Like I said, the balcony that they shoot from is on the 3rd floor. And the sniper, his shot, his only shot, signals the assaulters to go. No issues. And they're at the breaching door. No confusion as to who's going in which room. A little bit of an issue. That assaulter is holstering his pistol. Remember, he has to stay in that box and make sure his pistol is holstered, otherwise it's a penalty. The deadweight dummy is carried by the 3 of them back towards the line. Yalla! 113.4 for Bahrain A.